Hello friends, good afternoon all of you. And let's see that after waiting for 5 minutes also students have not joined on time. So it seems only 27 students are connected right now. And it may be because we have just decided to change our activities and those activities are based on our oral communication. So in today's session, we are just going to begin with our oral activities. So it can be a discussion. So discussion based on the topic which I'm going to give you. So I hope that all you people might be just very excited to just be part of this, or you wanted to participate in that discussion and you wanted to just ensure that you are also one of the aspirants who are looking for your placements, your maybe interviews and all other things. You are really curious about to know all such things. Okay, so based on that, we should not waste our time. We should be in such position that we are able to face such things in the future also, and for that we are preparing from right now. Okay, so with this, let's continue. So we'll just try to start. So before starting, let me know what you people are going to have, whether it should be a general discussion or you want to get it as a debate. So based on that, the people just try to decide. So better I will just give you here some of the choices, though right now I'm going to give you a topic, but it shouldn't be like this, that the topic is somewhat strange and you're not able to communicate on that. So for that reason, in today's session only, remember, in today's session only, I'm going to give you choice. Okay, so you people can have choice, and those topics for today, you people have to understand, you decide which one you people are going to choose. But remember that in final maybe group discussion or debate, you are not going to have such kind of choice. Just think about it. So you people are going to get topics like this: teamwork versus individual work. Okay. Then you can talk about blended learning. New normal. Then you people have impact of news channels on society. And you can also talk about city versus village. Definitely I have kept it simple so that your people should be in position to be part of it. So all of you ensure that you are going to choose it. So someone just tell me which topic we should go with out of 4. Those who are joining, ensure that you're not going to keep your mic unmuted.
Normal.
Someone is saying blended learning new normal. Should we go with that?
Sir, first one, yes, sir.
No, you people decide.
I think first one is the best.
Okay,
We can
fine.
talk on that also.
Okay, let's think that if there are other people also, if they are there, then we'll just go for majority. Is there anyone who would like to say something or any other topics? So otherwise we'll go with that, teamwork versus individual work. Okay, fine. We'll go with this only. There are no any other responses apart from Swati. So we'll finalize it. All right. So once again, just try to understand that when you people are just participating any kind of oral activities, maybe it debate or a group discussion. First of all, you people need to understand. Sanjana, do you want to say something? D3. Okay, so first of all, you are going to begin with, first of all, you are going to tell your name and you are going to give short introduction of the topic, and then you are going to express your opinion. Obviously, the topic is a kind of controversial. There are going to be parts, so it will be a kind of discussion as well as debate. So we'll just begin with it. So remember that you are going to use the norms which are used for discussion. Be polite, don't be just aggressive, don't shout, or also learn how you can present your point in a better way. So who would like to start today's discussion? Those who would like to speak, they can raise your hands. And apart from that, take care of interruption and everything. Let's begin. Earlier, we have so many sessions like this. So I hope that today there will be no issue. Okay, Sagar will start this today's discussion. So Sagar, go ahead and start.
Hello, everyone. Sir, am I audible properly?
Yes, you are audible clearly.
Okay. Good everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. Myself Sagar Thorat. Today's topic is teamwork versus individual. I hope all of you will participate in this. So, first of all, I will talk both of them, teamwork also and individual work. Means teamwork. I think teamwork is that work which you come friends, group of friends and group of colleagues come together and do some work. So we call that as a teamwork. And individual work, someone taking individual project and doing alone work there. So we call it as a individual work. So there are many benefits of both of them. Teamwork also there some benefits, and in other hand individual work also have their benefits. But I think individual work have many benefits, and instead of teamwork we have to go with individual work, because I experienced that many times some people are making teams, and in teams there are lots of debates. Some points are not, someone is not agree with teamwork. I mean, someone not agree with the leader's decision or any other team member decision. In Marathi there are one sentence we said, हाताची बोट हाताची पाची बोट सेम नसतात. So everyone has their own opinion about one work. So there will be some issue in teamwork also. Thank you.
Other people just contribute. Come ahead. Don't just stay connected. You have to face this situation. If not today, maybe next year. Okay. So that time you can't run away, escape. So better you just be familiar with such things. Speak. Though there are mistakes, it's okay. And it should not be that every time I have to interfere for you people to just speak and tell you that it is important and all those things. Okay, let's see who is next. Who's going to say?
Hello everyone.
Yes. Hello, you can go ahead. And you people just coordinate it. I should not be interfere every time. So you people continue. I'll be just observing and listening to you people. Krishna, go ahead.
Thank you, sir. I will go more in deep with teamwork, because I would like to work in team, and making team also is making team also one of the skill, you can say, and it is one of the art to make a team and work with team, because it's very difficult to engage us in a team. If I say, if I am working in my sorry, if I am doing one individual work with my two hands, just imagine at how much time I will finish that work. This is one case, and another one case is there is one my team and there are 5 people and we are doing that work. Just imagine that 5 men can give me 10 hands. Means instead of working with 2 hands, I am working with 12 hands. Means that work will be more essential, more easily, and what we call more mm, more expert work we can say. And teamwork, there is very what we call teamwork matters more, because if Ambani doesn't have good team, he will be not on top. If Ratan Tata don't have any team, then he don't think to go on top. So it is one of the example we can say that. And I will go in more in teamwork only. Thank you.
Yes, Krishna, I am partially agree with you because as you said before, example give Ratan Tata, if not he had no team, then he will not raise. But I don't think so. He first make team, then grow business. He started individually, work in different places, and then he raised their empire. And I'm also saying that if we are working individually, uh, we can work freely in our pace only. There is no points for depending. If we are working in team, we have to depend on someone else. But in individual work, we don't need to depend on someone else. We have to work individually.
Hello, sir. I would like to say something on Sagar's point that he said no ki if we are working individually, we are not dependent on anyone else, and if we are working in the team, we have to be dependent on someone. Working in team does not mean that we have to be dependent on someone. Working in team means working in equality, taking each other's ideas, thoughts, and getting some knowledge from other people, what they are thinking, and taking something from them and learning and then growing together is teamwork. So I would like to correct that point.
Yes, but if we distribute our work in team, uh, we said that if we have to make one website, then we have to distribute our work. Someone is do some data collection, someone do coding, someone do their marketing. If marketing, I mean, if data collection is not over, then we can't go to coding. Means coding person is dependent on data collection person. There is a I think there is no work which will if we are working in team, we have to distribute our work, and if we distribute our work, we have to depend on someone else partially.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
I agree with Sagar's point of view. Individual work is more effective and give effective result on that. But in teamwork, there is different opinion on point of work. Yeah.
What I mean to say is not about in individual work we are going means we are not depending on anyone. It's not like that. In teamwork, we are doing all the work. All the people can do any work they wanted. It's their own choice. They can share their thoughts with others. Like if Sagar said that we are doing something project like development, and someone is doing coding and someone is collecting data. If me and Sagar is doing some project and it's a task is given to me that I'm going to collect the data and he's going to do the coding, it then in teamwork, like there is some pressure that I will do my work on time. But individual thinking might be like, it's all mine, I can do it anytime. It's like that. So if when I'm working in a team, it's my own responsibility to do something, and someone has told me to do, means I have to do. And it's not about just depending, it's just getting their ideas, thoughts, and also like getting new challenges also. And it's always better to go with team.
Yes, exactly.
Yes.
Vaishnavi ma'am, I am still partially agree with you because if we working in team, we said that this is not mine project. Uh, as I listen somewhere, if things will be mine, we keep it as a safe. But if we say that things is ours, then we'll not do that properly. Means if we are doing some project in team, then someone gives us topic, I mean leader gives us the work, then also someone said that this is not mine individually, I will do this later, or someone else in team also do that. But in individual work we have to do that, we must do that. This is the point there.
Yeah, Sagar, I get your point. But what I mean to say, if we are working with someone, we have that pressure. Yeah, if I have to, means it's not depending on me. Like if I will think that, it's my work and I can complete it anytime. But when I'm working with someone, I will think, no, Baba, I have to complete that work, because if I not do, he will also get some loss. And
Yes
Yes,
also,
ma'am.
I agree with you, Vaishnavi. Because when we are working in a team, then the team members will guide us. The recognition from the team members will improve our productivity. And when we are working individually on any subject or any project, then everything will be dependent only on you, because there will be so much work to do only for you. So when we are working in team, then work will be get divided into team members, and it will also increase the productivity of our project.
Yes or no, ma'am? Exactly. I am still partially agree with you because there are if someone doing any work and one person doing any work and 10% doing any work, there is lots of difference in both of them. But in 10% there is nothing to do that. Means if individual do that, so we are thinking that we must have to do this. But in teamwork we can say that no, if I don't do that, then someone else do this. But in individual work we have to we say there, no, my work no anyone will do my work, I have to do this.
In teamwork there is one passion, or there is one support system, we can say that. In teamwork we can define there is one leader, and everyone should listen to leader and discuss with leader. Someone told previous things that there may be in individual thing there is a separate opinion, but not in team, because we can match our opinion with leader and we can grow with all together. And as a business consultant, I am telling that in team, if someone is not ready to work, all other, suppose there is one team which contains 10 peoples, and suppose that two peoples are not they are not able to work, or they, if there is something problem, then other red peoples will cooperate them, and they will come forward and take a responsibility of that people, and they can win together. That's main and what we call effective reason to work with team. And even if five people are also not doing work and other five people are doing work, then also there is team win. Not from that team, no one is remains behind, and no one is what you call lagging from that team. There is sure and 100% win if we work together and work accordingly. Thank you.
Yes, Krishna, exactly. But I don't think about winning or losing. I am thinking about work. If 5% are not doing their work, then their work, uh, remaining 5% have to do their work. So 5% are more load, more working load. So they can do their work also, and here this is work also. So that work is not that much efficient.
But I think when we are working on a project individually, it will obviously increase your stress that you will have to do everything. And it is not considered that only one person can do anything very perfectly, because only one person will handle all the project. And when we are working in team, we will get inspired by the other persons also, so that we get to learn something from them, that how they are working, how they do things handle. Learning from others is the best benefit from teamwork.
Yes, ma'am. But what if our team is not good, and they are not doing some stuff? Means as Krishna said, suppose we have 5% team, and from 5, 3% are not doing work. Then this will be not motivated or learning from them. This is the demotivated work there.
Then Sagar, that you have an option to change your team or to have some good peoples in your team. You have to think this before making a team. If I am making a team, I will definitely choose someone who is willing to do some work. Why I would choose the person who is too lazy, and I know he is not going to work with me in good manner or like that. Why would I choose that person? I would definitely go to the correct path only. And if after that, if after making team you realize that someone is not doing work, you have that right. The leader has that right to say, Baba, if you don't do work, I will remove you from the group, or you just do something else individually.
But there is nothing to say there now. Firstly, we have to say in team 5% we have to do. We must do this. We will do this. We will do this. We dreamed about something, and if persons participants in team are not doing work, then this dream will be destroyed in a second.
Here I would like to add one beautiful sentence that if you want to go ahead, then we can choose a teamwork. Means talking about learning and learning more and more things, then we choose teamwork. But if we want to what you can say that learn faster, then we choose individual way. Thank you.
Yes, Sagar told you that you expect the thing that if there is a person, if there is team and someone is not able to work, the first aim is in team is the guiding. That will guide to team, and there is no need to tell you work like that, you work like. Automatically, everyone can do their own work. Because there is team, they will think about team. They will not think individual. I want this thing. I want this thing. I have to do. I don't do. Then I will not get. This all the rare things. Because in team, everyone know what we want, what we have to do, and what we have to achieve. Then there is no any restriction and distraction, because they will think all about team.
No, Krishna, not every time like this. Exception are always there, because I'm saying that from 10 teams, 8 or 7 teams are like that. From that team, 2 persons are doing, and 2 persons are not doing. So that which person are not doing their work also pending, and remaining to have to complete that work. So load will be increased, and that if we want quality in our work, then we have to do individually. That is my personal opinion.
But teamwork is the whole process, in which coming together is the beginning. Keeping team together is the process of the teamwork, and working together will be success, and definitely teamwork will achieve the success, because uh, teamwork is the success which makes people achieve uncommon results.
Yes, yes, yes. But as my friend Mahesh said that if we want to learn something, then we have to do individual work. There is nothing called winning and losing. There is I think there is a only one learning.
Yes, Sagar, you said if we want to learn something, then we can learn individually. Sorry to say, but it is not correct because if I'm in a team, then I will get many ideas which will I will not get individually. Because if I'm working in a team, 10 people share their ideas and their thoughts, I will get 10 different ideas. But by thinking individually, I will get only one idea, and which will I don't know which will be succeed or not. That is a different case, but and working with team will definitely give you a knowledge and a very good knowledge.
And Sagar, you told that about load. If you have good team, you can divide your load into your team. There is no work that in it. If you have team, there is no work that load and what we call you told that load and work. Actually, if you have a good team, you don't say like that. You separate load. If two are not working, then eight people have load, or eight are not working, two people have load. Automatically, load will divide it into team.
Yes, Krishna, but I am experienced that. That's why I am saying that. Mm, I'll tell you example one. I make a team of 5 person, and one of that leave the team. We divided the work. We make our team. We decide our goal, our vision, mission. We decided everything, and we started our work. Then some people left the group. Means not doing work. So they have to leave their group. So remaining loads are coming on other person, and it happens definitely as you said, load will distribute, but that distributed load also increase our load.
Okay, so go towards conclusion now and summarize it.
Can I say?
So if no one is there, you are only. Does anyone want to summarize, conclude? Okay, Sagar, you can.
Yes, thank you all of you for participate in this. I think this was a debate. Am I correct, sir?
Yes.
Yes, participated in debate. Uh, but as I previously said in starting, teamwork also their own benefits, and individual work have their own benefits. In teamwork, we can our friends Krishna, Walke madam, and Sonal madam, they um, uh, present their views, and I think in individual work I am only presenting my work. So there are their own there is a their own benefits. Teamwork also there. If we do in team, our work will be done in short time period, and we can success rate is the high in teamwork. But in individual work, there is a learning rate is high as compared to teamwork, and maybe success rate will be low. But I said that learning is the important. So benefits of both, and uh, benefits and their disadvantages are always there. So thank you.
Okay. All right. So it was very fantastic discussion. I'm really happy that I can see now progress and development in every aspect. So as far as that all discussion, we people just came across. So throughout that, I came to know that there is a lot of changes. Whatever we people had discussions earlier, maybe last year or last semester, and today's session, there is a lot of difference. Everybody is trying to improve, and the change is visible. In case of Sagar, that is fine. You people are just doing it better, but still some minor mistakes are there, and a lot of time needs for making arranging words and making sentences. in the beginning, while getting introduction, don't begin with myself. Nobody will introduce yourself with myself. So don't say myself Sagar, myself somebody. You should begin with I am, or my name is, or this is, something like this. You can say this is Sagar, or I'm Sagar, or something like this. So all of you just remember, don't begin with myself Sagar, or whatever your name is, like this. So that you just try to remember. Another that is again common, that while just saying I agree or disagree, you people need to think about that. You should not use that I am agree. Okay, so correct way is the people have to say I agree or I disagree. That will be correct way. If you're saying I am agree, that is minor, but you just take care about it. And apart from that, I think that at the time of conclusion, you are not that much confident, Sagar, and maybe you have to summarize the opinions expressed by everybody in short, and you have to maintain the balance, and that you are trying to do it. But I think that it needs more perfection and efficiency. As far as defense, you are doing from one side, you're depending everything from that individual work, and that was nice as far as, but again, don't stretch too much also sometimes, but you're doing it nice. That's for you only. So you are doing it. And I hope that being the person or getting experience also, you're doing it in nice way. And I'm sure that for upcoming, whatever the career opportunities you are going to face, definitely you are going to get a lot of chance to participate and be part of that. I feel like this of Sagar. For
Thank you, sir.
Krishna, okay, yes, sure. For Krishna also, I can see a lot of improvement is there, Krishna. That as far as earlier, it was a lot of maybe hesitation was there. That has been reduced and exact and to the point. Maybe because of that experience already, you just said business consultant, as a business consultant. So lots of experience you might have got accordingly, but your communication has been improved as compared with previous communication. And I hope that in upcoming days you will keep it up, and there'll be no problem and no issue for you and for your communication, and you're expressing it very nicely. That's all about you, Krishna, and there was not any mistakes as I could find it out. You're doing it nice. Then in case of Vaishnavi, that is also right. As far as I'd like to appreciate, pronunciation is very nice of Vaishnavi, and you just try to improve that also to next level. And you're just presenting the information to the point, you're defending, and just maybe in a better way you're doing it. So Vaishnavi, your communication is very nice. I think that it is natural also, and you're not having much hesitations, and a lot of pauses were not there. So that I can tell you.
Thank
and
you, sir.
Right now you can just try to just use your voice, maybe different aspects of non-verbal communication that people can use, that rising tone, falling tone, or maybe create impact on your listeners by sometimes raising your volume, sometimes bringing it down, or sometimes taking a pause. These are some of the tricks that you people can apply to attract the attention of the listeners that you are. Maybe we are not physically. I will recommend here, if possible, maybe next time you just be comfortable with your cameras also, or you should be with that also, because that is also another aspect. Right now, I did not say, because maybe right now nobody will be in ready position to face the camera. But recommendation will be that you people be comfortable with cameras also, because most of the times recruiters, such kind of discussion will not be there. If it is virtual, then you people have to face the cameras. If it is physical, you need to look into the other aspects of body language and that eye contact and all those things which are missing here. But Vaishnavi, you can just try to think that you can use your voice as a tool and try to create impact by following these things. So that's all about you, Vaishnavi. As far as Sonal, that is again previously, and improvement is there, but again you need to increase, you need to give more explanation also. Swati also, just try to maximize your participation. You were there, but your participation was less, and explanation is very less. That you people need to say how you can maximize. So let's say whatever he said, that is right, or just try to refer to the previous points raised. If you don't have much to say, In that case, you can just try to refer to your friends earlier they have said, by agreeing them, by disagreeing them, and then try to just extend that statements, or just a little bit information you should have, a little bit knowledge you should have, that you can just participate. Same with Mahesh Deshmukh. Mahesh, you also need to work on this a lot, because just saying, presenting only one sentence or one thought is not sufficient. You need to maximize your participation. That is what I would like to tell about you. And for today's discussion, I'm very happy that you people are just making it nice. And those are minor mistakes, and those can be eliminated. You just try to work on it, but that is okay. As far as discussion is concerned, it was right discussion. And if you realize that we have discussed it up to 20 to 25 minutes almost, we people have been discussing it. So that much discussion is enough. Hardly 10 to 15 minutes. 15 minutes are maximum time is given for your discussion, but here we have discussed it. Let's 20 or 22 minutes also. And that is what I would like to give feedback. Now people can ask your difficulties or questions, anything if you have. Any challenge that maybe you wanted to say something but you could not say, or what problems you faced during this, or there are so many students who are maybe connected and listening here. There are some, I think that Aarti, when you wanted to participate, sometimes I feel like this. So if it is like that, you have to collect all that courage, and you have to just unmute and speak. It should not be that I just wanted to say something, but other people are saying, that all are listening, and teachers are also there. So if I make a mistake, negative thinking shouldn't be there. Let it happen. Whatever happening, let it happen. Maybe people may laugh. What could happen? Just imagine what could happen. People may laugh. They may make fun of me. That's fine. I can accept it, because criticism is always there. And overall, they are all my friends. We are learning in the same class. So if they laugh at me, I will just be happy with that also. I will not feel bad. So nothing is going to happen. You people need to just collect or just gather all your courage and just be bold enough that you are going to unmute and say at least one word. So those who are just raised here, like Mahesh and Sonal and Swati, they're trying, even they participated, they said something. So why not we? Everybody should just try to think like this and add something, your knowledge, your thought. At least one thought should be there with this topic. Maybe if you don't know anything about teamwork and individual work, you don't know anything, even then also you should at least one sentence you should try to say. That would be from my side. If you're just keeping quiet and if you're not saying anything, it is sure that you are going to just throw out from the process there itself, and you'll not get chance to face the next. It may be your oral interview, and you'll feel comfortable. Right now, if you're just speaking for 10 to 15 minutes, that is going to give you a lot of confidence. Remember, confidence will not come that if I keep reading and reading and reading, and if I keep listening some videos, that will not give you confidence. Until and unless you are going to speak, you are going to open your mouth, you will not feel confident that yes, I can speak. And you know that if you're prepared for let's say 10 minutes, you're going to complete that 10 minutes into 2 minutes only. So that happens if you are not practiced it. So practice is the only tool, weapon, powerful weapon that you people have to use from right now. So maybe upcoming whatever 1, 2, 3 months, whatever 6 months you are going to get, that is going to make you perfect. So that should happen every day. If I may not be there today, we have a session of CIP, so I'm here. But you can organize meetings on your own in the evening, and you can practice like this, and you just try to tell each other that what you said and what you just made any mistake, and you can accept it that next time you're going to improve those things. So that is very important. Or you just take note of it. And I'm sure that those who are like that, Sagar, Vaishnavi, Krishna, you people are just maybe on the verge that immediately you people are just into that process, that you should not feel much bothered about that, what opportunities you are going to get, whatever may be a job placement or it can be interview. All people keep working, and that is not the destination. Still much more that we wanted to achieve. And so all you people just try to work on it. Okay. So any queries from your side? So here we are not going to force anybody to participate, because in third year, you people all realize you people are professionals now. You are about to enter into the industries and organizations and companies. So you should feel that I have to do it anyway. So whether it is simple or difficult, I like or dislike, you have to do it. So what happened with other students? I would like to tell other students why they're not participating. Okay, fine. So if we have done with this, can we go for other topic or you should go for? There is still time.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
I send you one photograph in on WhatsApp. In that we this I instead of using I agree or I am agree, we can say that also. Can you check that one?
So there are a lot of words and vocabulary that you people can use for as far as you wanted to just discuss some things. So I will check it and I will just see that right now network issues with here. Yes, these are all phrases that you people can just use it. Yes, all phrases. So that will be, if you have any other group, you can share the things like that also. So here that phrases are like this. I agree with you. That will be one way, or we are of one mind. We are of one mind. That is also okay. That means that you are having the same opinion. You are so right. Our thoughts are parallel. I don't doubt you are right. I had the same idea. That's right. You're absolutely right. No doubt about it. I would go along with that. I see what you mean. I could not agree with you anymore. Okay. That's exactly what I was thinking. I could not have said it any better. You have hit the nail on the head. So these are the phrases. Hit the nail on the head means you have said it rightly. So these are some of the phrases. You'll find it. I think that we have done already. People have just discussed. We have a session on how to do all those things, group discussion and all those things. So just find such phrases. These phrases are very useful. What Sagar sent me, you can look it on internet also, or you can get it from him also. That these are very useful because they are just for your affirmation or negation. Whether you agree or disagree, whether you wanted to say the same thing, these are the some of the phrases that you people keep reading. Make your own notes. When you wanted to just participate into discussion, these phrases will be very, very useful. Whether you agree, whether you disagree, or whether you don't know anything about that topic, even that case also, you can use those phrases. And there are many more. Here he is having few, but you can find out other phrases also. And accordingly, just try to divide those things. For beginning, how you can begin, which phrases will be useful, for participating, for agreeing, for disagreeing, for interrupting. Now, there are some phrases for interrupting also. So that phrases also people just try to look for and try to collect those words. Suppose that somebody is speaking and in between you wanted to interrupt someone, how to interrupt politely, that is also will be useful. Again, if you wanted to just close, for closing also, which will be the few sentences or sentence starters will be there that you people can use. That will be, if you will just go through those phrases, you'll feel a lot of confidence that yes, I can participate. But without preparation, nothing happens. Preparation is the must. So you have to look for a lot of information apart from knowledge. These are the things apart from knowledge, and your knowledge, general reading should be there. You should read about so many things. If you are just looking about here teamwork and individual work, there is a lot of things, a lot of points could have been said, which we people have not thought of here in this discussion. And maybe that is again, we have not much awareness about what teamwork is, how to that people work in team and what are the problems in working in team. So what are the benefits or the characteristic features of individual work and how all those things. So we have discussed it in a limited way. So that is also people remember. You need to go in depth of that topic also, because one of the criteria for evaluation is subject knowledge also. The topic which is given, how much you know of that topic, that is also checked. All right. Any other? Okay, so next session, you people just be ready. This time I have given you options so that you could choose. Next time I will give two topics. You have to choose between two. Next time only one will be given. Like this way we will go, so that it will be a simpler way that your people will feel familiar with this. But participation, I'm not happy with the participation. Only 4 to 5 students, only I think that 5 students were there, 6 students were there who participated in today's discussion. So if you would have into groups, so in that group, you can imagine 4 students are there who have not spoken a single word. Okay, only 6 students uttered. And out of this, you just come to know, you know that how many candidates get for selection? Hardly 1 or 2. In one group, 1 or 2 candidates get selected. Otherwise, all of the people, if you are just saying like this, in case of, I would like to tell you, maybe Swati, Sonal, and Mahesh. So you people just need to work on these things. So only participation is not important. Only saying just one sentence is not sufficient. You should think about subject knowledge. You should also, I just told you that these phrases, you just try to collect those phrases and try to use them. So practice those sentences. Imagine that you are about to participate. So how you can say how you are going to agree, how you're going to disagree, how you are going to support, or how you are going to just defend something. That will be useful. Okay, so we'll take attendance here now, and we are about to close. There are so many students who are connected, but they are not attentive also. So all you people just take note that don't just join it for the sake of attendance. So somebody call Kharat Pranav and tell him to connect with audio. And there was someone else was also here that they're just connecting, but Rohini Jagtap is there. So there's somebody called Rohini Jagtap and tell her to connect with audio. So first of all, we'll go for division of attendance of division A, 1, 2, 6.
Yes, sir.
No, I will just mark it randomly from your participation. 8, 9, 10, because that will take a lot of time. So those who are here, I'll just mark their attendance. 13, 14, 16. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 27, 28, 29, 32, 33, 37, 39, so now Kharat Pranav might be just, somebody told him, I think that he's here. 39, okay. 41, 42, 44, 45, 48, 50, 51. So option numbers from division A, roll number 3, 4, 5, 7, 15, 23, 26, 30, 31, 34, 35, 38, 40, 43, 46, 47, 49. Okay. If anybody is present, just let me know that you're present. Division B, 1, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 8, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 35, 37, 38, 39, 42, 44, 45. Okay, so absent numbers from division B are roll number 2, 7, 9, 12, 25, 32, 33, 34, 36, 40, 41, 43, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. If anybody is present, just let me know. Okay, all right. So in next session, we'll meet with another topic. If you have anything to say, you can say, otherwise we'll stop here, we'll close here. Should we stop here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you for joining today, but do join for next time also.